Thinking about buying an electric vehicle? Before you celebrate skipping gas stations forever, there are hidden EV costs most buyers never hear about. And today, we're exposing all of them, so you don't get surprised after signing the paperwork. Let's start with the biggest shocker: insurance. EV insurance is generally 10 to 25% higher than gas cars, mostly because EVs have pricier parts, advanced sensors, and higher repair labor. A fender bender for a gas car might be $1,200. For an EV, it could be $3,000 plus. And speaking of things that add up, some states give EV incentives, but others charge extra annual EV fees, from $100 to $225 per year, to make up for lost gas tax revenue. You might also face higher local sales tax depending on vehicle price. But wait, ownership fees don't stop there. In many states, EV registration costs are higher than hybrids and gas cars. For example, states like Georgia, Tennessee, and Arkansas now include additional EV registration surcharges. Not huge individually, but year after year, they add up fast. And speaking of things you'll eventually need at home, yes, a home charger is a game changer, but also a wallet changer. A Level 2 charger ranges from $400 to $800, and installation can run between $700 and $2,000 depending on your home's electrical capacity. Older homes with panel upgrades? That can jump to $3,000 plus. But what about fixing the car itself? EVs need less maintenance, no oil, fewer moving parts. But when something does break, repairs can get expensive. Battery replacements are rare, but cost $12,000 to $20,000 if out of warranty. Even basic parts like headlights or charging ports cost more due to integrated electronics. And then we move to what you'll pay on the road. Public charging isn't always cheaper than gas. Fast charging can cost $0.31 to $0.55 per kilowatt hour, meaning a full charge can be $22 to $34. In some states, that's equal to or more expensive than fueling an efficient gas car. Plus, idle fees can add $0.3 to $1 per minute if you leave your car plugged in too long. But here's the good news. Despite the hidden costs, EVs can still save money long-term, especially with cheap home charging, fewer mechanical issues, and tax incentives. But now you know the real numbers and can avoid the surprises most first-time EV buyers face.